Hi everyone, I'm Suzi Manley and I'm from 5 Foot Rope, and I'm jumping on here today as I wanted to do a bit of a shout out to the always amazing Tina Darman. Now, I have just completed a 4-day 5-figure course challenge with Tina, and I hope I got that right. And it was absolutely incredible, and that's what I wanted to come on and mention to you all today. Now, to give you a bit of an idea, back in, a couple of years ago, when COVID hit, it shut my business down. I do networking events and small business expos and workshops for small businesses. And obviously they were all, physical events, face-to-face events. Now, when COVID hit, it shut me down completely, obviously. So I had to rethink. I had to regroup, and I had to, restructure what I was doing with my business. So I went virtual with my events. And once I started doing this, and I just loved it, I realized I could do it from home, I could do it from anywhere, it didn't matter where I was. I started thinking about online courses, and I started researching the courses, and the one name that kept popping up was Tina's. And so I ended up going and doing attending a summit that Tina did. There was I think it was a 3-day summit. There was 35 people in there. And all of these people were talking about how they had created an income for their business because, again, like me, they had to redirect their business. And they were all earning an income from online courses. And they had learned how to do this through Tina. They were students of Tina's, but they were from all different backgrounds, all different businesses, from, teaching different languages to teaching piano to teaching crafts to so many things. And so they created these online courses that they could do, again, from their own home, from anywhere in the world, and put them online and attract a global market. And so I've been following Tina for quite some time and have learned so much off her. So when this 4-day challenge came up, I didn't even hesitate. I jumped straight in. And I'm so glad I did. It was a couple of hours every day. And basically what it did was it showed you that, number one, your goals are a lot more achievable than you think. You just need the right information and the right guidance and the right support. But it lays it out in very easy. The 4 days really lays the whole thing out in very easy to understand terms. It's very clear. It gives you a roadmap to, how to find your ideal client, how to know who your ideal client is, which is super important, how to find that ideal client and where to hang out, how to target that client, how to create something first before you go through, weeks and months of putting things together and then finding no one wants it, and also how to sort out your financial plan for your courses. And this was absolutely a brilliant course. So that's why I wanted to take the time to jump on today and, give Tina that shout out, because it's just, as I said to Tina, it kept me awake until 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, just, watching the replays and, going back over everything. And it just creates such an amazing space in your head of ideas and possibilities and opportunities. So if you have the opportunity at the moment to do this 4-day course, and guys, it's free. Tina's providing this information for you for free, okay? And then you obviously have the opportunity to work with Tina, which is an incredible opportunity. I highly recommend you jumping on and having a look at this course. I loved it. I have the attention span of a flea, so the fact that, Tina held my attention for a couple of hours for those 4 days was just amazing to me, because that doesn't happen with me. I get distracted very easily. So the content was awesome. We could interact with her, we could ask questions, and yeah. So guys, I've done a lot of online training, and out of all the people that I've done training with, there's only 2 names that stand out to me and have really resonated with me, and Tina was one of those. So thank you, Tina, for providing this amazing opportunity. And again, if you're watching this, do yourself a favor, guys, jump on, watch what Tina has shared, and trust me, you will get so much value out of it that you'll be happy you did. All right, I hope you're all safe and well, and I hope you enjoyed what I share with you today. All right, take care. Bye.